y'all. So I don't really look cute today because I haven't done my makeup or anything and I've just been sitting in bed doing my schoolwork. But mom got me some tapestries, so we are going to clean my room and redecorate it. And I'm gonna take my Christmas tree down, I think. So my room is a mess. And so basically this is like a clean my depression room with me, sort of. I don't have a dresser and my closet is broken. So all my clothes are just kind of on my couch. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I'm probably just gonna leave them, honestly, because I have nowhere to put them. But I need to get storage for it, so if you're watching this video, please like and subscribe so that I can get on my road to 1,000 subscribers so that I can get monetized. Alright, so to start today's video, I'm going to do like a room overview of my messy, disgusting room.
Starting when you walk in, I have this carpet, and then these floor mats because my room is in the basement, some boxes from Christmas, paper lamp from IKEA, a random table, these cute lights, my desk, my ring light in the middle there. Up there is a picture from Nationals when I played volleyball, this cool picture of New York City, my broken wardrobe, my desk, which I just put in front of my wardrobe because I don't use it. Then I have a mirror, and then another mirror, and then just a bunch of crap. Down there, there's like more crap down there, and just like bins and boxes. And then this is all my clothes, which is actually on a couch because I don't have anywhere to put my clothes because my closet is broken. That is just a blanket because there's like a scary under the stairs past there, and I don't like to look at it when I sleep. And then there's just my window. Got a lot of crap on it. If it will focus. Okay. And then just like a photo wall of all like old photos. A lot of like juice boxes and stuff, just don't mind it, okay? It's gross. I need to clean it. Haven't cleaned it in like a month. And then I got this poster from IKEA. That's like a Molson Canadian flag. And then records that I got at Value Village and Monster cans, lots of CDs on the wall. I did all this myself. Mind all the garbage. Just don't look at it. Got this cool Mona Lisa poster, my Christmas tree. On the side we have a mirror with a lot of stickers on it. Nightstand, garbage can. This is my shelf, which has all my Bath and Body Works stuff on it. And then just like my school stuff and like paint and random crap. Got a glue gun and then all that random crap in there, which is like just random crap. There's like a bunch of books and movies down there that I haven't used in like how many years. On top of here I have my lava lamp, picture of me and my sister she got me for Christmas, a candle that's like falling off, some more stuff, an incense, sage, and then my bed, kind of, I don't even have sheets on it because they keep falling off, but yeah, that's pretty much my room. Pretty basic. On the ceiling I've got some posters and I'm actually gonna take those down. But yeah, that's my room. Kind of a mess, so I'm gonna clean it.
The angle y'all are gonna be at as we clean my room. And yes, I'm wearing the same shirt from yesterday because I slept in it. And it's comfy and I didn't feel like changing. And I feel like it's actually low-key cute. I don't know. I DIY'd it. It used to be a t-shirt, then I cut it up. Now it's like a cropped tank and I'm wearing just old volleyball shorts.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
So we're gonna clean my room, and this is probably gonna be in time lapse.
Fighter.
Likey inspired. Fight.
Alrighty, so we're almost done cleaning my room. We got all the garbage and recycling and everything out. My clothes still look ugly, but it's fine. We might fix it after because I might end up putting my clothes in the shelf that my TV is on and move all that crap out. And now we're putting up the tapestries, which is super exciting. I've wanted a tapestry for for so long, and I got 3 of them, which is super exciting. So once those are up, I'll show you guys. My clothes, and because my closet is broken, so this is just like a shelf that my TV is sitting on. So I think I'm gonna take all this crap out and then put my clothes in here, and I'll probably get some bins or something, kind of like this one here, to put like my undergarments in. Alrighty guys, we've been working for so long, like we've been working since like 2 p.m. and it's like 6. So we got the tapestries all up, and I got my desk cleaned out, and then I also put this like, okay, it looks stupid, but just wait. So I moved my paper lamp over here, and then this is the first tapestry. We got it up there. My TV, we moved it there. Got all these shelves cleaned. Those shelves are not gonna get cleaned. And then up here we put 1 tapestry on the ceiling, and then we put the other tapestry over my window over there. Alrighty guys, we've been working all day, and well, we're not done, but better than it was, so that's something. This half, the one half of my room, I'm not going to show you because it looks horrible right now and it's not finished. But the other half of my room, I will show you. So starting when you walk in the room, you'll just see my carpet, and I think I got it at like Jisk. And then my floor. This is a lamp from IKEA. On this side, we have this tapestry. My TV. This is just random crap that needs to leave. I actually put some of my clothes in there, and then down there is just random crap. This is like books and stuff, random crap down there, and then all of my like body sprays and perfumes and lotions and stuff. Up here, the same pretty much. I moved this poster, my TV's here, and then moving over this way, there's another poster there. We actually put this curtain up so it like closes my bed in. I also put another tapestry on my ceiling. And here's an overview of my room. My sheets are not on my bed yet, they're just in the washing machine. But that's pretty much it. I don't know if you guys really care, but this is what my room looks like after I put all my sheets on. And my LED lights on. And then some incense. It smells really good in here now. And it looks super cute. Yeah.
So I actually forgot to finish this video. This is a couple days later. We ended up putting up curtains around my bed just to close it off. They do open, and it looks really cool when they're open too. This is just them closed. And this is an overview of my room because this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye.